Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on one of the important topics, practical topics, that is Sitz bath for pilonidal sinus. Before we go to the Sitz bath, how to take the proper Sitz bath and why we need to take the Sitz bath for pilonidal sinus, we will slightly touch upon what is pilonidal sinus very briefly. First, what happens is there will be a small infection in this area of the human body just above the buttocks. What happens here is there will be inflammation. In this, what happens is there will be lot of sweat glands here. So when you are stretching, when you are sitting for a long time, or when you are driving, what happens to this is these sweat glands will stretch. When the sweat glands will stretch, lot of dirt go into it. Mainly if any human being is having more hair on it or thick hair on it, the hair will go inside. And also not only the hair, any toilet paper which you have not cleaned properly, or parts of the cloth or any other dust will go into that and it get infected. So you can see here it get infected like this. Once it get infected, there will be a tract formed on it that we call as sinus. In this, you can see this is a sweat gland. This will get infected, lot of hair comes into it, lot of dirt comes into it, lot of toilet paper comes into it, everything will be staying here and this will get infected, and this tries to come out from this place, that becomes sinus. So this is known as pilonidal sinus. See, you can see there is lot of inflammation, lot of pain, lot of swelling here. It is tender to touch. These people cannot sit, cannot stand for a long time. So lot of discomfort they will be undergoing. This is known as pilonidal sinus. Next, we will look how we properly do the Sitz bath for pilonidal sinus. Coming to the Sitz bath for pilonidal sinus, you have to understand why we do the Sitz bath. It is very important for you to understand. The important reason you do the Sitz bath is you have to mature the abscess or mature the sinus and drain the parts of the sinus or whatever the content. There will be blood, there will be pus, there will be accumulating of pieces of cloth or hair or any dirt, toilet paper in that sinus. It has to come out so that it becomes clean. The Sitz bath helps in draining it out. So that is the importance of Sitz bath. And also next thing is it will reduce the inflammation, it will reduce the pain, it will reduce the swelling, so that you will be feeling relaxed. That is also one of the important reason. Next one is, as there is a lot of dirt around it, so it helps in cleaning the area. It keeps the area clean so that it will be free of bacteria or new infection will not be occurring in it. And also one more important thing you will be doing is, when you are doing the Sitz bath, there will be a lot of oxygen to that area because of the increased blood flow. When the blood flow through that area is increased, you will get a lot of oxygen and also a lot of nutrients and also a lot of inflammatory mediators that helps in healing. So because of all this, the wound gets healed very quickly. That's the importance of Sitz bath in pilonidal sinus. And what is the proper way to do the Sitz bath? So Sitz bath has to be done in a particular way. What is that way? Take a tub which is of comfortable size. Don't take small one. It is very difficult for you to sit. It will aggravate the condition. Take a comfortable size one, get a new one and fill it with water, 3 to 4 inches of water. The water should be warm. It should not be too cold or too hot. Too cold water or too hot water will aggravate the situation. The water should be warm such that you feel comfortable. Different people will have comfort with different degrees of warmness. So you have to ensure that you are comfortable with that warmth. And also we have a specialty liquid for pilonidal sinus. This is a specialty liquid. This liquid contains anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial properties and also healing properties. It will heal the wound very quickly and reduces the pain and inflammation. So take 25 drops of this liquid and put it in the water. You can sit in the tub for 15 to 20 minutes. You have to sit comfortably so that your healing starts here. And once the Sitz bath is completed, wipe the area with a very clean towel multiple times so that there will not be any moisture or any scope for bacteria, fungus or any other pathogen to sit there. You have to do the Sitz bath 3 to 5 times. If you want to more, you can do it, but at least 3 to 5 times you have to do. When you have to do, you can do this before surgery or after surgery if you are going for surgery, or if you want to take homeopathic treatment during the course of the homeopathic treatment, you can take Sitz bath. Sitz bath is very important and this is the way you have to do the Sitz bath for pilonidal sinus. And coming to the treatment, what type of treatments are available for pilonidal sinus with Fidicus Homeopathy? Fidicus Homeopathy is specialized in treating pilonidal sinus. There are two types of consultation available for you. One is online consultation and in-person consultation. If it is online consultation, you can consult us through audio or video, whichever you are comfortable, and you can share the reports, whatever MRI report you have or any other report you have, you can share with us. If any other investigations needed, we will let you know. You can do it locally and send it back to us. Based on that, we will send you the medicine wherever you are in this world. We have patients from US, we have patients from UK, France, Greece. Recently we have got from Japan also. We ship the homeopathic medicines for pilonidal sinus throughout the world. If it is in India, you will get within 3 days. If it is US, it takes 4 days. Any other country other than US, it will take 5 days. Okay. And coming to the in-person, you can inquire about the nearest branch which is near to you. So you can directly take the appointment and come to us for treatment. Why you have to consider Fidicus Homeopathy for pilonidal cyst? The important thing is we have the highest success rate. We are expert in treating the pilonidal cyst both in online and in-person mode. We have the highest success rate compared to any other homeopathic doctor or any other homeopathic clinic nearby your home or any other corporate homeopathic clinic. We have the highest success rate for pilonidal sinus, and you can say almost 98 to 99% of the patients are completely treated for pilonidal sinus. None of our patients who came to us for pilonidal sinus went for surgery. Such is the importance of Fidicus Homeopathy treatment in pilonidal sinus. We have the highest success rate because of two things. We have the best doctors in the world, so they are highly knowledgeable, they are highly experienced, they are passionate about their work, and also the medicines we use, whatever the medicines we use, very high quality. You will get the best possible medicines or pharmaceuticals available for pilonidal sinus treatment in the world. That's the reason you have to consider Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.